Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git is installed and your identity set so commits track correctly. Once done, create a repository locally with Git in it, add your files, stage them, and make the first commit with a clear message. Then create the remote repository on GitHub and link it using git remote add origin followed by the repository URL. This connects your local history to the cloud. Make sure to push that initial commit, so the remote has the same baseline state as your machine. You should use branches for isolated work, so create a feature branch with git checkout B and commit changes frequently with focused messages. Once you have local progress, run git pull rebase to integrate upstream updates cleanly and avoid merge clutter. This keeps history linear and easier to review. After rebasing and resolving conflicts, push the branch upstream with git push uorigin to set the tracking branch. Then open a pull request on GitHub to request review and signal readiness for merge into main. You finish by merging the pull request on GitHub using the team's preferred strategy, then sync your local main, git checkout main, and git pull. Once merged, clean up by deleting the feature branch locally and remotely to avoid clutter. If something goes wrong, diagnose with git status and git log to see divergences, use git merge tool or git restore to resolve files, and as a last resort recover with git reflog and git reset hard to a known good commit. Make sure to communicate fixes in the PR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.